and I have had sleep, but not, not the best kind of sleep. So I feel a bit puffed up today, but I have to head to shoot right away. So I have a hack which I think really works. So this is just chilled water. It has a lot of ice in it, and I'm going to dip my face into it so that it shuts my pores and minimizes all the puffiness that I have, so that I can get to doing makeup and look flawless. Here it goes. I'm not sure how it feels. It either feels between a shock and awesome. I don't know. Feels the both. I can't feel my face right now, so I think I'm ready. Have a great day.